G'day, welcome to 8 Feet Travels.
10 Feet Travels, you! Let's go!
A little bit of a different one this week. We're heading down to Busso or then to Margaret River. Just Grant, myself, Charlotte, Maya and Luce, here they are.
Hello. Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. My good Oppo back on the camera this weekend. If you go back about 12 months, Maya did some great videoing for me. Just going to stop in Busso at a shelter for lunch, and then we've got a little chalet down south. Charlotte, there's a good playground at the foreshore. We'll head home then.
Yeah, I'll turn it around just here.
Yeah, stay tuned. We are only allowed to drink Southwest beers on this trip, so you'll probably get a few breweries in, a couple of parks, and we'll go to an animal farm that we've been to a few times.
Yay!
Stay tuned. Yoo-hoo!
Hey guys, welcome back to 8 Feet Travels. Today I am here with Lucy and Charlotte. Guys, do you want to show them around the park?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start at the start. On the grass. Hey guys, welcome back to 8 Feet Travels. Today we are in Busselton, and after this we are going to Margaret River. So before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, click that like button if you want more of these videos, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.
G'day, we've made it down to Margaret River. We are staying at Bushy Lake Chalets, pretty much just south of Prevelly. Pretty much booked this 2 weeks ago, looked everywhere, and lucky enough I was just online when there was a cancellation on this place. We actually scored the best property on this. It's about 5 or 6 chalets. Cheers, Grant.
Cheers, mate.
Couple of ducks. And yeah, like basically a 3-bedroom, couple of doubles and a couple of singles. Cool little spa in here. I think the girls are gonna have fun in here later. But yeah, just to give the missus a bit of a time off, nice little break, and yeah, have the girls for the weekend. So after Settlers, quickly stopped in the cellar's door of Rocky Ridge, and yeah, we'll take you through a couple of beers that we've got for the night, or maybe even for the next couple of nights. Hope you enjoy the episode. Cheers. Hey, what are you three doing? Eating chippies? trips away. Yeah, popcorn, little movie. Phew. So happy with this little villa here, or chalet. Obviously he scored it well with the weather, but I reckon even in winter it's got a fire. Gonna be a killer sunset. Yeah, it does do it.
Almost just find my finger off. In case I still got it. He didn't do that the other day.
That was good, I got that on camera.
Right now we are like 2 minutes away from the animal farm, aren't we girls? Yeah, we got still 4 minutes is over. It's 2 now. So far this morning we've had pancakes for breakfast. Yeah. And what do we do after that? We went down the walks. Yeah, we went down to the beach. And after the animal farm, hopefully we can go to the chocolate factory. Hey guys.
There you go, good job. Oh, he's got a sandwich. Hey! Oh, that's best. Welcome back. So we're eating ice cream. Yes, aren't we, Charlotte? This bubblegum is so yummy. Cheers. Welcome to 8 Feet Travels. We're at Margaret River Brew House.
It's really hot today. And I got a water ice pack on my head. Because I'm about to die. You guys gotta smash that subscribe button or I will be in your nightmare.
Yeah, you got a one side, okay?
We are now at the beach
See the green
and
rock that Lucy's anyway?
we're at the water. It is beautiful.
Alright, as we're about to close out day 2, Oh. Killer afternoon. Went for a quick swim down at Marg's beach break.
See, look, this
Girls
is where
going a
we
bit
were.
feral.
And
This is
yeah,
where we were,
I won't
guys.
film them much because they're just in their
This is where
knickers,
we were.
just
In the slums.
having a good time,
See, right.
exploring, feeding the ducks.
Let's
It's a
go
killer
back.
great spot here.
Is that your fish?
Just been watching the cricket. Scorchers are probably going to have an easy win.
Oh, easy.
Easy.
mate.
But yeah, no. Hope you enjoying the trip so far. Cheers. Hey girls, how's a bubble bath? Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Camping.
Alright, just about to finish up here at Bushy Lake Chalets. Lovely few days. Fortunately I have to head back to Perth. But yeah. We really hungover. Alright, a bit of a beer review. We had beers at Rocky Ridge, or got takeaways at Rocky Ridge. Obviously Settlers that you would have seen. And had lunch yesterday at Margaret River Brewhouse. Out of all these, my favourite was the Car Requires Assistance double IPA. Rocky Ridge, they do a lot of good beer, so check them out if you're in the southwest. And we'll see what we get up to on the way home. Cheers. Yeah. Cheese. Hey, we're just leaving Marg's now, so hope you enjoyed the weekend. Following us around, a few breweries, chocolate factory, sunflower farm. Did you have a good weekend, girls?
Yes. Wait, mommy.
Alright, cheers for watching the vid, and we'll see you next time.
You.